Hello everyone, let's go through some of the patient information. When you log in as a provider, you'll first see the scheduling screen. From there, navigate to the Patients tab. Here, you can view a list of all patients who have already been registered under Myca500. Each patient record shows three options: View Details, Edit Patient, and Insurance. Let's go to the Patient Hub. This section covers everything from allergies, vaccines, visits to meds and supplements, allowing you to review all current and past medications for that specific patient. After that, you'll find the Orders and Vitals sections, where you can view key health indicators such as height, weight, and more. These vitals are directly connected to the SOAP notes and are collected during provider visits. Next is medical history, which includes information like the patient's tobacco and alcohol usage. You can also check all patient documents in the eDocs tab. Then comes the billing history, where you can preview PDFs of billing records. Finally, in case history, you can leave comments as needed, and at the end, review and easily download the complete billing summary.